Andy here from helpusbroke.com, based in our workshop in Rutherglen. Here we're going to be showing you a Reflow. It's a HP Pavillion tx2500 model, tx2500 model, be precise on this one. As we can see, it's a AMD chip on this one, if we can make this one out. Two TCs attached to this one internal on our ACHI BGA rework station dark infrared machine, and we have an external one coming off here at the front and along up to this one here, showing about 112 at the moment. There's our camera on the chip, she's here. Okay, we'll just finish the preheat temperature here. You can see we're at 200. Okay, we're just going to move on to a different setting here. Rest this one on, show you this one being done, guys. You guys won't see a lot of heat coming from here. with it being a dark infrared machine. I'll show you slightly. Not a lot of redness coming off of our element. It's for a permanent fix. On the smaller models, recommend a full reball. On a bit more demanding machines. Quite a common problem with the HPs, DV2000, 3000 up to 9000 models. Pretty much the same. Kind of similar errors you get with the PlayStation 3s as well, the Xbox 360. There's our chip up here. You'll start to see some movement slightly of the flux underneath the chip. There's a liquid flux under there. Start to see a bit more heat coming off the machine now. Here's a common problem as well. These bad boys clogged up. Source of the problem as well. I could play back in. It's a good idea, you guys, if you attempting anything like this with your I know maybe you'll not be using a infrared machine, but if you're attempting to do this with a heat gun or blowtorch type of device that I normally see people do on YouTube or whatever, you really need to mask this off big time round about the processor using stuff like that. If you're not using a professional machine, if you're using anything like that, you really need to mask off completely everything. If you hear any sort of popcorning, there's the alarm on my machine. If you're not going to get this professionally repaired, then I would strongly advise masking off the entire board. You can obviously, the amount of times I'm mentioning that, I can't stress enough. If you hear any sort of popcorn from the machine, small popcorning sounds, take the heat off it immediately, cool it down, because you're just going to wreck the chip. There's my sound. Just going to start to pull this machine down. You may want to just let yours cool down naturally. I'm using quite a expensive bit of equipment that costs us quite a bit of money, so this has some built-in cooling functions that you can put on to automatically cool the board down. Put it back together, some high quality thermal paste on there. Your choice is obviously whatever you decide to use. Preferably I would probably go around the Arctic Silver, yeah, probably on there, to obviously stop the error from returning. Cheers guys.